we'll guide you through how to create Stripe radar rules to help you automatically identify and prevent fraudulent transactions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard by logging into your Stripe account. Once you're in, look for the Radar tab on the left-hand side menu and click on it. This will take you to the Radar overview page where you can manage and monitor your fraud prevention settings. Next, click on Rules at the top of the page to access the Radar Rules section. Here, you can create custom rules to suit your business needs. To create a new rule, click on the Create Rule button. You'll be presented with a form where you can define the conditions for your rule. For example, you might want to block transactions from certain countries or flag transactions above a certain amount for review. Use the drop-down menus to set up these conditions. You can also use Stripe's suggested rules as a starting point. Once you've set your conditions, give your rule a name so you can easily identify it later. After reviewing everything, click Save to activate your new rule. Remember, you can always come back to this section to modify or deactivate rules as your business needs change. Creating effective rules can significantly reduce the risk of fraud, so take the time to think about what makes sense for your operations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.